29th, the 30th and the 31st of October, FANUC UK are hosting an automation and digitisation event at their headquarters in Coventry on Anstey Park. Now, if you're interested in the way that automation is impacting UK manufacturers or the way that it can benefit machining processes, amongst more, then you should go to this event. And one of the things that you'll be able to see there is this partnership here between Renishaw, Star and FANUC. Now, if we quickly look at this solution, you'll see here that what's happening is the FANUC robot is working in conjunction with this equator system. So basically, a component is machined on the sliding head lathe. It then comes into the area where the robot will pick up the component, and working with the equator system that you'll see on the right, the part will then be put into this shrunk 3-jaw chuck, and then the equator system will then measure the component. Now, this is like a comparator. The intelligence of this solution means that what happens here is when the part is measured, it compares it to what has already been put in as a predetermined correct component. And as long as it falls within the tolerances that you specify, it will then put that component into the pass bin. Now, if it fails, it will put it into the fail bin, and it will then automatically update the offsets on the machine in order to make sure when you make the next component, you make it correctly. Now, the whole idea behind this is actually looking at how a partnership can work, how automation can benefit companies. The biggest area here for me is that there's two specific operations that you would normally have to undertake manually, which are now out of the equation. And the first one is obviously measuring the component manually, and the second is how you then get that information back into the control. Well, actually, by using this solution, all of that is taken care of by the robot and by the metrology or the measurement aspect. It just shows you that and when you do start introducing those operators into the equation, mistakes can happen, and that won't happen with an automation solution like this. So that's just two reasons why automation can actually benefit or would benefit you if you were using this type of solution here. This three-way partnership from FANUC, Renishaw and Star. It can be seen at their open house on the 29th, the 30th and the 31st of October on Anstey Park in Coventry.